Chicago, bro. Let's get it.
You want a private jet?
Okay, that's cool though.
So you're on the list, huh? That's awesome. Yeah. All right. Whoa, that was just incredible. It has been such a blessing to be able to meet such incredible people along the way on this day. It is not about the gifts, it's about the giver. So are you giving cheerfully your time, your talents, your treasures? If you're new here, give it a like, subscribe if you like it. If not, leave a comment below. What's the problem? What could be changed? What could maybe be helped or better explained? But I just thank the Lord for the opportunity. Little Drex leading dance parties and just everybody getting involved. Kai, Mariah, Mai, Miss Mandy. I just thank the Lord for all the opportunities. I mean, look at this place. It's so sick. I know people disagree with a lot of things, maybe about this city or maybe even this street on this walk that I'm on. But hey, investigate it for yourself, because a lot of times the information that gets passed along might not be all that accurate, and then we just jump on it and we choose sides. It's not about choosing sides, because ultimately it could come down to you changing the whole decision and ultimately changing the world. So just look at this place. It's a blessing. It really is a blessing if we understand it and we see it right. I know a lot of ugly things get painted about this place, but you could be the difference. Could you be the difference? Would you be the difference? Like I said, if you're new here, like, subscribe, share it with somebody, please. Have a good evening. Look at this. Hello?
I was just making sure you're straight.
What's up? Have a good day. For sure. What's your name? Frank. For sure. I'm gonna tag. I'm gonna look for you, Frank.